Good morning students. Last class we have seen the digest system of leech. Today class we are going to see the remaining part of the lesson. First reproductive system of leech. Next one circulatory system of leech. Circulatory system. Third one nervous system. Fourth one excretory system. Fifth one reproductive system. Reproductive system. Okay. First we see the respiratory system of leech. Okay. Respiration take place through the skin in leech. எது வழியா நடக்கும்னா skin. Respiration take place through the skin. Leech na enna pa attain solliken. Okay, so first point respiration take place through the skin. Okay, in leech. Second one capillaries present. What is capillaries? Capillaries mean very small tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Capillaries present. Okay, so second one the exchange of respiratory gases take place by diffusion. Okay, exchange of respiratory gases. Exchange of respiratory gases take place by diffusion. The method name diffusion. What is diffusion? Diffusion is a method in the process of substance from higher concentration to lower concentration. Okay, what is diffusion? Diffusion is a method of substance from an area of higher concentration to lower concentration. Higher concentration la irundhu lower concentration ku the substance varudhu. What is diffusion? Higher concentration to lower concentration. Lower concentration. Okay. So respiratory system of leech, oxygen is dissolved in water. Oxygen dissolved in water. Oxygen dissolved in water. Respiration through the diffusion method. The hemosylic system is present. Hemosyl. What is the meaning of hemosyl? Hemosyl means it's a blood-like fluid is present. Okay, hemosylic system. While carbon dioxide throw out. Okay. Oxygen dissolved in water diffuses through the skin in hemosylic system while carbon dioxide passes out. So next one, the skin of leech is very slimy and moist condition due to the secretion of mucus. The skin is the leech skin kept slimy and moist condition. எப்பயுமே பார்க்க அந்த வளவளன்னு இருந்த மாதிரியே இருக்கும். ஓகே, the skin is kept in slimy and moist condition. Why அப்படினா due to the secretion of mucus. mucusனா ஒரு வளவளப்பான பொருளை தான் mucus அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடியது. ஓகே, it prevent from drying. எதுக்காக இருக்குன்னா it prevent from drying. ரொம்ப dry ஆகாம இருக்கிறதுக்காண்டி prevent from drying. Okay, do you understand the respiratory system? The respiratory system of leaching take place by diffusion method. Okay, the leech is kept in the slimy moist condition due to the secretion of mucus. Why mucus is added? To prevent from drying. Okay, next method circulatory system. Next one circulatory system. Circulatory system. தமிழ்ல circulatory system னா இரத்த ஓட்ட மண்டலம்னு சொல்வாங்க. The circulatory system of leech is brought about by circulatory system of leech is brought about by hemosylic system. Is brought about by hemo Hemocylic system. Hemocylic system. There are no true blood vessels. Blood vessels true va kadayadu. So okay, second point, there are no true blood vessels. No true blood vessels. No blood vessels. The blood vessels are replaced by hemocylic channel. Okay, the blood vessels are replaced by hemocylic. Blood vessels are replaced by hemocylic channel. Hemocylic channel. The hemocylic channel filled with blood-like fluid. Okay, it is not blood, blood-like fluid. Blood-like fluid present. The channels contain hemoglobin. Okay, the channels contain hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. Okay, the circulatory system of leech is brought about by the hemocylic system. There are no blood vessels. The blood vessels are replaced by hemocylic channel. The hemocylic channel is filled with blood-like fluid. Okay, the blood-like fluid. The channels is filled with hemoglobin. The channel full is hemoglobin. What is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin, hemo means blood. Globin means protein. So hemoglobin is a protein. What is it is a respiratory pigment அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. Respiratory pigment. It give red color to the blood. இதான் வந்து bloodக்கு என்ன கலர் கொடுக்கும்? Red color கொடுக்கும். Where is found? It is found in the RBC. RBC means red blood corpuscles. Okay, it is a respiratory pigment. Next one, there are 4 longitudinal channels present. There are 4 longitudinal channel. 4 longitudinal channel present. 4 longitudinal channel present. The first one lie on the dorsal side of the alimentary canal. First one, dorsal side of the alimentary canal. Dorsal side of the alimentary canal. The second one lie on the below the alimentary canal. இந்த alimentary canal கீழ இருக்கும். Second one below the alimentary canal. The remaining 2 channels are lie on the lateral side of the alimentary canal. Others two lie on the lateral side of the alimentary canal. Lateral side of the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. Alimentary canal la enna solluvom? அந்த உணவு பாதைன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? அதான் alimentary canal, digest system. The 4 longitudinal channel is present. First one placed here dorsal side of the alimentary canal. Second one lie on the below the dorsal side of the alimentary canal. இதுக்கு கீழ இருக்கும். So others two channels lie on the lateral side of the alimentary canals. Okay, so once again repeat, circulatory system. The circulatory system of leech is brought about by the hemocylic system. It is filled with blood-like fluid. It contains hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is one kind of protein. What is the use of the hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is a respiratory pigment. Okay, next one, 4 longitudinal channel is present. First one present the dorsal side of the alimentary canal. The second one below the alimentary canal. The others two channels lie on the lateral side of the alimentary canal. Okay, next we see the nervous system of leech. Next we see the nervous system of leech. Nervous system. தமிழ்ல நரம்பு மண்டலம் அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. The central nervous system of leech, it consists of nerve ring is present. The central nervous system of leech, it consists of nerve ring is present. Nerve ring is present. Another one, paired ventral nerve cord is present. Ventral nerve cord. ventral nerve cord is present. Okay, let's see the diagram of nervous system. This is Leach diagram. How many suckers, anterior sucker and posterior sucker are present in the diagram? Suckers. This part is ganglion. Brain is present. It is not well developed brain. A small tube structure is called brain. Ganglion. This is brain. Okay, nervous system of Leach. The central nervous system of Leach, it consists of a nerve ring is present. Okay, this is a nerve ring. Nerve ring is present. A paired ventral nerve cord is present. Next, the nerve ring is surround the fornix. எதை சுத்தி அமைஞ்சிருக்கும்னா fornix சுத்தி அமைஞ்சிருக்கும். The nerve ring surrounds the fornix. Fornix na தொண்டைக்குழின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல அந்த இடம், அந்த லீச்சோட அந்த தொண்டைக்குழி சுத்தி அமைஞ்சிருக்கும். Okay, the nerve ring surround the fornix and is formed of suprapharyngeal ganglion. இந்த இடத்துல தான் இதுதான் brain அப்படினு சொல்றது. Suprapharyngeal ganglion. It is formed of suprapharyngeal. இந்த டேர்ம்லாம் படிச்சுக்கங்க. Suprapharyngeal ganglion. Okay, இதுதான் brain சொல்றது. Suprapharyngeal ganglion is present. Okay, so next one, excretory system of Leach. Next we say the excretory system of Leach. Next, excretory system. Tamil excretory system na கழிவு நீக்க மண்டலம் சொல்வாங்க. Okay, the excretory organ nephridia. அந்த ஆர்கனோட பேரு nephridia. Excretory organ, nephridia. There are 17 pairs of nephridia. எத்தனை nephridia இருக்கு? 17 pairs of nephridia. 17 pairs of nephridia. It's open out by the 6 to 22 segment. எந்த செக்மெண்ட்ல ஓபன் ஆகும்னா 6 to 22 segment. Okay, so excretory organ nephridia, it is out by 17 pairs of nephridia which open out by the 6 to 22 segment la idu open agum. So next part, reproductive system of Leach. Next, reproductive system. Reproductive system na Tamil la இனப்பெருக்க மண்டலம் சொல்வாங்க. Okay, the reproductive system of Leach is a hermaphrodite. ஒரு நேம் சொல்வாங்க. Leach is hermaphrodite. Leach is hermaphrodite. What is the meaning of hermaphrodite? Hermaphrodite means both male and female reproductive organ present in the same animal. It is called hermaphrodite. What is hermaphrodite? Both male and female reproductive organ. Male and female reproductive organ present in the same animal. ஒரே அனிமல்ல மேல் ஆர்கன் இருக்கும், ஃபீமேல் ரீப்ரொடக்டிவ் தான், அதுக்கு பேர் தான் hermaphrodite. Okay, first see the male reproductive system. First see the male reproductive system. There are 11 pair of testes. எத்தனை testes இருக்குன்னா 11 pair of. There are 11 pair of testes is present. Okay. The testes occupy the segment 12 to 22 segment. Okay. The testes occupy 12 to 22 segment. Each segment is arise here. A small duct is called vas efferentia. Vas efferens. Vas efferens. Each testis is arise a small duct is called. The duct ku per enna appadina small duct ku per vas efferens. Next one, epitydeme is present. What is the meaning of epitydeme? What is the use of this epitydeme is na to store spermatozoa. Epitydeme is the term la new ah irukum padichukenga. Language epitydeme is. Epitydeme is present. What is the use of epitydeme is to store spermatozoa. To store spermatozoa. Okay. Male reproductive system, there are 11 pair of testes present. Testes occupy the 11 to 22 segment. Another one, each testis is arising a small duct, it called vas efferens, and epitydeme is present. What is the use of the epitydeme is to store the spermatozoa. Next, female reproductive system. Female reproductive system. Female reproductive system. Female reproductive system, it consists of ovary, oviduct and vagina is present. Okay, what are the parts? Oviduct, ovary and vagina is present. Okay, what are the parts? Female reproductive part, oviduct, ovary and vagina is present. Each ovary is coiled and ribbon like structure. A pair of ovary is present. எத்தனை ஒண்ணா pair? 2 ovary. Pair of ovary is present. Ovary is a coiled and ribbon like structure. Coiled and ribbon like structure. Cocoon is present. Cocoon is otherwise called egg gas. It occupies the segment 9, 10 and 11th. Okay. In breeding season, cocoon is otherwise called the egg gas. It occupies the segment 9th, 10th, 11th. The larva of leech resembles the adult emerges. The larva of leech resembles the adult emerges. Okay. So first see the female, it consists of ovaries and oviduct and vagina is present. Paired ovary, each ovary is a coiled and ribbon shaped structure. Cocoon is otherwise called as egg gas. It occupies the segment 9th, 10th and 11th segment. The larva of leech resembles the adult emerges. Okay, next see the parasitic adaptation of leech. Parasitic adaptation of leech. Parasitic adaptation of leech. The blood is sucked by, first point, the blood is sucked by muscular fornix. The blood is sucked by muscular fornix. Next one, how many suckers? It has 2 sucker, anterior sucker and posterior sucker is present. The anterior sucker was located in the anterior end and posterior sucker was located in the posterior end. Anterior sucker and posterior sucker present. Posterior sucker present. Okay, two type of suckers. During feeding it attaches itself to its victim by the posterior sucker. During feeding, attach itself. அட்டை வந்து சொல்லுவாங்களா அட்டை மாதிரி ரொம்ப டைட்டா அப்படியே பேக் ஆகிரும். attach itself to its victim strongly by posterior. What are the sucker? The posterior sucker வச்சு அப்படியே ஸ்ட்ராங்கா ஒட்டிக்கிறோம். Okay, another one, the fourth one, it leech makes a Y shaped incision in the skin of the coast. அது கடிக்கிறப்ப இந்த triradiate aperture Y shaped small incision make a coast of skin. Y shaped incision skin of coast by the jaw. Fifth one, the crop part is the largest alimentary canal. The crop is filled with blood. Crop na teeny pie is filled with blood. உடனே இந்த டைஜஷன் நடக்காது, ரொம்ப ஸ்லோ டைஜஷனா இருக்கும். ஓகே, so the last one, parapodia and setae are absent. What is the meaning of parapodia? Parapodia means small legs are absent. Okay, parapodia and setae are absent. Parapodia and setae absent. The salivary gland contains a protein. The protein named hirudin. The salivary glands contain hirudin. What is hirudin? Hirudin is one kind of protein. What is the use of the protein? It prevents the coagulation of or clotting of blood. It prevents the coagulation or clotting. Coagulation of blood. இதோட ஸ்பெஷல் கேரக்டரே இதான். ஓகே, இந்த salivary gland contains hirudin அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு protein. What is the use of the protein? It prevents the coagulation of blood. Okay. What are the parasitic adaptation in list? The first one, the blood is sucked by muscular fornix. எதோட blood சாப்பிடும்? Human and cattle. Okay. The anterior sucker and posterior sucker are present. During feeding attached itself to its victim by the posterior sucker. And to make a Y-shaped incision in the skin of coast, the crop is filled with pleasant parapodia and setae are absent. Last one, the salivary gland present the hirudin. What is hirudin? Hirudin is one kind of protein. What is the use of the hirudin? It prevents the clotting of blood. There are the main importance of parasitic adaptation of leech. Okay. Today homework. Write the parasitic adaptation of leech. Thank you.